I'm ABC 10 News anchor Max Goldwasser outside the San Diego Unified School District headquarters, where the board just delayed a landmark decision to build affordable housing for educators in the district at 5 different sites, including where I stand right now.
You're a part of that heartbeat as opposed to, just showing up to get a paycheck.
Isel Martinez knows firsthand how impactful it can be when educators live in the district where they teach. She works as a paraeducator at Claremont Canyon Academy, and she's been with San Diego Unified for 15 years. She tells me she lives across the street from the school and says it's convenient but expensive.
Which now has me having roommates, even though I'm married, and wanting to start a family makes it complicated.
Isel is one of the many who would benefit from affordable housing, and the district reviewed proposals Wednesday that would provide that for 10% of its workforce at no cost to the district or the taxpayer. That's about 1,500 units at 5 different locations, the majority of which would be at the Normal Street headquarters in the University Heights neighborhood where Mark Johnson lives.
We want this built here. We just want it built so that it fits. And whether it's architecturally, whether it's mass and scale, respecting the historical buildings on the site, I think all of that can be done. But we need to make sure that what we put here, the community infrastructure can handle it.
But an expected vote on the proposals was delayed, with some board members wanting to workshop with developers before making a decision. Of the 5 sites, only one was accepted because it only had one proposal. The others were tabled until January. Despite the delay, Isel is excited to possibly call these headquarters her home in the future.
As someone who would be impacted, wanting to live here, which is not that far of a commute for my husband or myself, would be a huge advantage.
It's important to note, however the board votes in January, that would only move the chosen proposal forward. It doesn't approve the project altogether. A final agreement likely wouldn't come until spring 2027. Max Goldwasser, ABC 10 News.